Eyes, I want you sleeping. Warmth I feel beside me, slowly fading. Would she hear me? If I called her name, she'd hold me. If she knew my shame. Sorry, something had been gone wrong. But I walked in the wrong direction. There's always someone fucking hanging on. Can anybody help me make things better? Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Her conscience calls the guilty to come home. Tears don't fall, they crash around me. Her conscience calls guilty to come home. Moments died, I hear no screaming. Visions left beside me are slowly fading. Would she hear me? If I called her name, would she hold me? If she knew my shame. There's always something different going wrong. The path I walked in the wrong direction. There's always someone fucking hanging on! Can anybody help me make things better? Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Her conscience calls the guilty to come home. Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Her conscience calls the guilty to come home. Oh! Will I see before? Broken bones to heal no more. No more. With my last breath I'm choking. With a summer end I'm hoping my world is over one more time. Let's go. Hear me, if I called her name, would she hold me? If she knew my shame. Sorry, something different going wrong. Path that walks in the wrong direction. Sorry, someone fucking hanging on. Can anybody help me make it better? Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. The conscience calls the guilty to come home. Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. The conscience, the guilty to come home. Chairs don't fall and crash around me. The conscience calls the guilty to come home. The chairs don't fall and crash around me. Just calls the guilty. I think I nailed it. That was super. I think that was the take. That was so long. Shut it down. Back it in, boys.